Hi there, this is Jo Baird of Jo's Crafty Hook, and in today's video tutorial I am going to show you how to do an alternate chain 2. This is also called the alternate starting chain that you can do for hats, scarves, cowls, whatever you want to do that you want to create a nice even edge with. As you can see here, I did a swatch with the chain 3, which you usually use when you start your next row. As you can see here, your edges, you kind of have like a little hole here or a little loop, and when you look at that, it doesn't create like a nice even stitch or a nice even look. So that's why they created the alternate chain 2, which gives you a nice straight even row here, and you don't have any gaps like you do here with the chain 3 that you do to turn. Okay, so I did a little swatch here, just a little couple double crochets. So here I started with the alternate chain 2, and I'll show you, how that looks when we get to the end of the row. So I have my row completed here. So what you're going to do is you're going to turn your work. You're not going to chain or anything. You're just going to turn your work. And then you're going to go into the very first stitch there. So you're going to, more or less right here, you're just going to do a single crochet. So you're going to insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. You have 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through both loops. And then as you can see here, there is like 2 little loops here, okay, that you have when you do your single crochet. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into that second loop there, and then yarn over and pull through, and then you have 2 loops on your hook, and you're just going to yarn over and pull through both loops, and there you have your alternate chain 2. So we're gonna go ahead and go across so I can show you what your what you'll go into when you start your next row that I showed you at the beginning of my alternate chain 2 starting row. So you're just going to do a double crochet in that last stitch. But as you can see here with that alternate chain 2, it kind of looks like you have 2 single crochets stacked on top of each other, which is pretty much what you're looking for. So you're just going to double crochet in that loop right there. That looks like a single crochet. Okay, and then there you have your little swatch there. There you have your alternate chain 2, and that again creates a nice straight row. And then I'll just show you real fast how to do it again. You're just gonna turn your work. You're gonna single crochet in that first stitch. Then you're gonna look for that second loop right there. Yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over and pull through both loops. And there you have your alternate chain 2. Again, this is Jo Baird of Jo's Crafty Hook. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also visit my video library where there are more left-hand video tutorials. If you'd like to see any stitch, put it in the comments. You can find me, Jo's Crafty Hook, at www.joscraftyhook.com.